Good morning. It's Thursday,
February 22nd.
22nd. Hello everyone. First stop, we're gonna go to Daddy's appointment and some kind of blood drawn. Then my appointment today is basically more like doctor's appointment, a lot of doctor's appointment. And then let's see what else we plan for. See you later. So we're here, gonna go to the diagnostic. Here's that. Show your thing. The two poke. Look
Every
at him
month.
already.
This is every month. Oh my goodness.
So I'm driving because Dad. That's how he is. When every time they took blood on him, he's kind of weak.
They took too much blood, you
He's
know.
one of those
They took 3 tubes.
people who get collapse
How come they
when
took,
blood on him.
they took 3 tubes this time?
Is it?
Yeah, too much.
That's too much. You should have told the guy why 3
Yeah,
tubes.
because the other one, no more blood coming out already on my left
Yeah,
hand.
but still, that's a lot. You only need
The other one is
tube
full.
or 2.
No, he said he just want to make sure because
Oh,
I don't
the
want to
first-
come back.
Oh, then
I don't want to go back again.
2 is sure already.
Huh?
Masyado na may Saj naman yung kumuha sa'yo ng ano,
No, he always took my blood.
that guy.
Yeah.
How was
But
his,
this time on my left hand, no more blood coming out. I don't know why.
how was his,
You said maybe your blood is thick.
the way you poke you? Because some people,
It
they're,
poked me good. I didn't feel
heavy, yeah?
anything.
They're
No,
heavy.
light.
yeah.
He's an expert, but the problem is I don't know, no more blood coming out of my head. My left hand.
Still have time. We could check the post office and then if it's too busy, then we go to my doctor's appointment.
He might not be busy.
Hopefully.
Okay, here's the post office.
Enter yung post office. So, got my package. Going to the doctor's appointment now. I'm here, walking, going to the clinic.
Chicken in the hospital.
Hanging around. We just finished my doctor's appointment. Took forever. How long we wait, Dad?
7 hours.
Grabe na.
Nagbayag mo eh.
I think it was 1.5 hours from starting to till the end. My goodness, taking so long. But yeah, today it's raining so hard. Plus we waited till the rain stopped till we get out to the building.
Tagal. Masyadong matagal.
Yeah, so long. The doctors. Here, look at that outside. It's raining a while ago, so it's all wet, the car. So we decided to eat lunch here at Seafood Grill. There's that. What do you have, that?
Grilled salmon.
Mine is chicken in a salad. Let's eat. Chicken. They give us so much rice. This one, the banana. What are that? And the curry.
Puso ng saging.
Saging with the coconut milk. Ginataang. Kakao. then we're probably gonna look at over there. Those are the Pinoy street food, the plated rolls.
Here's mom eating banana cube
Dessert.
with what is that?
Quack quack. This is the quail egg, the fish ball. My son loves this, Matthew.
What's the suka? This is suka.
Vinegar. And yeah, yum. So we're done eating lunch. We're heading to Remittance. Right, Dad? The next stop. Alright. Gonna send money.
Apa nga nagbasip man na di ko?
So yeah, we're back home after we pick up Angeline. Now she's doing her what? Homework. Just rest a bit and we might gonna go to
T-Mobile.
T-Mobile ask for questions. We're just gonna, what you call that?
Upgrade.
Yeah, ask information
My
about
iPhone
upgrade
6
because
to-
Dad's phone is getting
I'm
malfunction.
getting an iPhone X
Not.
with the Z.